it's me again, Anila. Welcome to my channel. Okay, today, birthday natin. Happy birthday to myself. Okay, let's happy birthday to my brother and big then happy birthday to Rob. Let's see. Happy both. As usual, busy na naman tayo sa okay, nagpa-prepare na po tayo sa kitchen. Ito na po yung kagana. Magluluto po tayo ng palabok, chicken, fried chicken, and spaghetti. Hello guys! Ito na yung food na nagawa na yung kitchen. Meron tayong spaghetti, malabon, and chicken plus cake. Okay, punta tayo ngayon sa Carfakain. Celebrate natin yung birthday natin. Since the birthday at 31 na tayo ngayon. Masasabi ko, I'm happy at my age. I'm blessing, I'm lucky, everything. Thank you, Lord, for that. Thanks for my family, my friends. Thank you. Okay, nag-prepare na kami. Palabas na kami. Pupunta na kami ng Carfakain. See you there, guys! Now, here are in the Carfakain. It's so much people here. And we're start the party. That's it! Sobrang madilim na. Hindi na natin makikita yung pinakaganda ng venue ng please. Pero, please, salamat pa rin kasi tahimik. Peacefully ang birthday ko. Thank you, Lord, for that. Thank you so much! To the boat. Na po tayo ng boat. Itatry po natin to. Natry na natin to sa Dubai. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Fujairah. I'm so happy and exciting. Just pray for me for the same. Nasa tubig na tayo. Okay, nag-i-start na po tayo mag-video. Eto, kakatapos lang namin sa boat. Ang saya-saya na experience ko ulit yung boat. And then, nagbigay pa si Kuya ng free boating.